Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever find yourself stressing out about money? Well, you're not alone. In fact, did you know that a staggering 64% of Americans report feeling stressed about their finances? Crazy, right? Today we're diving into the world of financial confidence. It's not just about having a fat bank account. It's about feeling secure and empowered when it comes to your money matters. Let's talk about the common triggers of money stress. Whether it's drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or facing financial uncertainty, these issues can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. But fear not. There are practical steps you can take to boost your financial confidence. From creating a budget to building up your savings and setting achievable financial goals, these strategies can help you take control of your financial future. Now, picture this. Imagine someone who was once buried under a mountain of debt, living in constant fear of the next bill. Fast forward to today. This individual has conquered their money stress, saved up for emergencies, and even started investing for the future. It's not just a fairy tale. It's a real transformation that anyone can achieve with the right mindset and determination. Navigating financial challenges with confidence is no easy feat. It requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and resilience. It's about understanding your financial situation, setting realistic goals, and taking proactive steps to achieve them. One of the first steps in navigating financial challenges is to assess your current financial situation. This means taking stock of your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's important to have a clear understanding of where you stand financially so that you can make informed decisions about how to move forward. Once you have a clear picture of your financial situation, the next step is to set realistic financial goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether your goal is to pay off debt, save for a major purchase, or build an emergency fund, having a clear goal in mind will help you stay focused and motivated. With your goals in place, it's time to create a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your finances, outlining how much money you have coming in, how much you have going out, and where it's going. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. In addition to budgeting, it's important to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that is specifically set aside for unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and financial security in times of uncertainty. Another key aspect of navigating financial challenges with confidence is to manage your debt. Whether you have credit card debt, student loans, or a mortgage, it's important to have a plan for paying off your debt. This may involve making extra payments, consolidating debt, or negotiating with creditors. In addition to managing debt, it's important to build and maintain good credit. Your credit score is a key factor in determining your financial health, as it affects your ability to borrow money, secure a loan, or even rent an apartment. By paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and monitoring your credit report, you can improve your credit score and financial standing. However, navigating financial challenges with confidence involves several key strategies and practices like we have earlier discussed. Here are some steps you can take. Budgeting and planning. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand your financial situation. This helps you make informed decisions about where to cut costs and how to allocate resources. Set financial goals. Short-term and long-term goals give you a clear direction and motivation to save and invest wisely. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial cushion during unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent repairs. Debt management. Prioritize debt repayment. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card balances. Consider consolidation options or refinancing for lower interest rates. Avoid accumulating new debt. Be cautious with credit and only borrow what you can repay comfortably. Income diversification. Explore additional income streams. Consider part-time jobs, freelancing, or passive income opportunities to supplement your primary income. Invest in skills development. Enhancing your skills can lead to better job opportunities and higher earnings. Investing in saving. Regular savings. Make saving a habit, even if it's a small amount. Automate your savings to ensure consistency. Smart investing. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Consider consulting a financial advisor to create a balanced investment portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Insurance and protection. Adequate insurance coverage. Ensure you have health, life, and property insurance to protect against unforeseen expenses and losses. Review and update policies. Regularly review your insurance policies to make sure they meet your current needs and circumstances. Financial education. Stay informed. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and market trends. Reliable sources include financial news, books, and seminars. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or planners for personalized advice and strategies. Mindset and discipline. Maintain a positive mindset. Confidence in financial management comes from knowledge and practice. Stay focused on your goals and adapt to changing circumstances. Discipline and patience. Stick to your financial plan and be patient with your progress. Financial stability and growth take time. By implementing these strategies, you can navigate financial challenges with greater confidence and work towards a secure and prosperous financial future. Finally, navigating financial challenges with confidence requires resilience. Financial setbacks are inevitable, whether it's a job loss, a medical emergency, or a market downturn. By staying positive, adapting to change, and seeking support when needed, you can overcome financial challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Navigating financial challenges with confidence is a journey that requires knowledge, discipline, and resilience. By assessing your financial situation, setting realistic goals, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, managing debt, maintaining good credit, and staying resilient in the face of setbacks, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial security. With the right mindset and tools, you can navigate any financial challenge with confidence. In a nutshell, financial confidence is the key to a more secure and stable financial future. By mastering your money mindset and taking proactive steps to improve your financial health, you can pave the way for a brighter tomorrow. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and tricks. Share your own money stress stories in the comments below. We're all in this together. And hey, why not check out our other videos on budgeting and investing? You never know, it could be the first step towards your own financial success story. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.